Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Tjmaxx haul for you guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So I bought a lot of stuff from Tjmaxx. I mainly wanted to get some fall decor, and I ended up getting a little bit of everything. I don't have that much makeup. I actually don't know if I have any makeup, but I have everything else. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing that I got is a shower curtain. Our shower curtain is looking pretty bad right now because I dyed my hair red, and every time I would wash my hair, it would bleed, and it would turn my entire shower like a red or a pink color. It was horrible. So I ended up getting this shower curtain right here. I like the colors of it, the whites and the grays. This was $25. And then I got a shower liner to go with it. So this was $6. I picked up two of these baskets here. It says Best Friend, and it has some dog paws on there. And then it also has, which I thought was kind of cute, it has like this wood bone that I'm going to write Ace on. And then I got another one exactly like this down here that I'm going to put Rocky's name on. So I'm thinking that I'm going to use these baskets to hold all of their toys, and I want to put one on each side of the fireplace. There was a couple different sizes. I got the large size, so mine was a $15. I know they came smaller. I did not see one bigger than this, so yeah, I got two of them. And then I picked this dog toy up right here. It's a Halloween one. This was $6. I do like Tjmaxx's, their toys for animals, because they're really inexpensive. So when your dog ruins it, you're not like upset. And this one has a squeaker in it, and then it has rope arms. So I like that because I like to play tug of war with my dogs, and then the dogs also like to play tug of war with each other. So the next thing that I got here is these compression bags. So we are actually going to Vegas in a few months, and I want to try these out to see if these will work for me or not, because I am taking some more bulky items, so I'm hoping that this will work. This was only $6, so if it doesn't work, it's not like I spent a lot of money on it. And then the next thing that I got is this macadamia deep hair mask. I have talked about this before on my channel. I really like this. I couldn't find like the big one, so I just went with this size, and I thought, you know, then I'll be able to take this with me when I go to Vegas too. This was a $14.99, so it's kind of expensive, but the product itself is really good. So I don't mind spending more money on a product if I know it's going to work for me and I'm going to really like it. Okay, so the next thing that I have here is this Impressions Vanity Pad. What is this? The mini mirror. So it's just a mini mirror. It's by Impressions Vanity. Impressions Vanity makes really good mirrors. So I wanted to get this to take this with me on vacation, because you know how the lighting is not any good in the hotel room. So I always like to go by the window when I'm doing my makeup in a hotel room, but there's no mirrors. So I thought I would bring this with me. It was $16.99. Okay, so the next thing that I got is these Mr. and Mrs. luggage bag tags. So we are actually getting married in Vegas. So I thought these would be so cute to have. They were only $4.99, so I was like, how can you pass it up? So I got it just because. I picked up quite a bit of face masks. I don't really use them that often, but my daughter uses mine all the time. So I had to kind of restock my collection a little bit. I really like the Creme Shop face masks. These are some of my favorite, if not my favorite ones from TJ Maxx. They are $3.99 and you get 3 masks in each. And then I got a couple more. And I think I got one more. Yes, I got this Hello Kitty one from the Creme Shop. And I think that they were all, no, so this one was $5.99. This one was on sale for $3. And then, but I think originally they're all like $3.99 unless it's like a special edition one or whatever, or if they go on sale. Love, love, love that. I did see that they had some First Aid beauty products, so I wanted to try them out. This is the Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask. I have not used this yet. I have used their moisturizer and it saved my skin when I had some issues going on. I put that stuff on and it cleared it up in a couple days. So ever since then, I've been loving the First Aid Beauty brand. This was $7.99, so I picked that up. And then I also picked this Facial Radiance Polish. It's an exfoliate, brightens, and purifies your skin. So I picked this up. I've never heard about this either, but again, I don't know a lot about First Aid Beauty. I picked up some different products from this brand here. This is the Keratin Flex Finish Hairspray, and then I got another hairspray. I got a lot of hairspray, okay? And then I got the Natural Hold hairspray, and then this is the Iron Guard. So this is what you spray on your hair before you go in with heat. All of the hairsprays were $3.99 and this one was $3.99 too. I wanted to pick these smaller ones up so then when I go to Vegas and do my hair, they're really easy to travel with instead of having like the full size bottle. So I thought I would try them out, see which one I like, and then bring that with me to Vegas. The last hair product that I have here is this Macadamian Healing Oil Spray. Like I said, love this brand, so I wanted to try this out. This is $7.99, so it's not that expensive. And yeah, this hair brand saved my hair from being too dry and brittle, so I'm gonna continue using all of their products to see which ones I like. The next thing that I got here is this Abercrombie and Fitch perfume. Now, I don't know if this is for men or women, but it was only $20, so it's like, okay, let's get it. I have not tried any of their perfumes before. This is what the bottle looks like. That is actually kind of neat. And then it has this silver stripe down the side here. Definitely for men. I think Chris will really like this scent. He doesn't have that many colognes, so I feel like he needs more. I should have known. It says man on the box here, and that's why I was thinking it was for men, but I wasn't sure. But I was like, regardless, I like perfume and Chris needs more cologne. So it's a win-win as long as we like the scent. So the main reason that I went to TJ Maxx was to get fall decor. And they actually didn't have that much. So I wasn't able to pick a lot of fall decor up. But I did find my pumpkins. I've seen so many people on YouTube talk about these and buy these like for a couple years now. And I've never got my hands on them until today. This is my pumpkin. I am so excited. I got 2 of these and they do light up. You just have to put a battery in the bottom and then it will light up with some clear lights. So I have 2 of these and then I've got 2 of these pink with gold glitter pumpkins, and again it lights up on the bottom. I took the tags off them, but I know that they were under $20. I feel like they were 18, 15, something like that for each of them. So yeah, But I am so excited. I'm going to do a video of me decorating my house for the fall. I am really excited that I found these. The last two things that I got at TJ Maxx is just these big pillows right here. I actually got 2 sets, so 4 pillows total. They were $19.99. That is everything that I got from TJ Maxx. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!